Welcome back to Tuesday of Doom. Before we get started, I would just like to ask that if you like what I'm doing, if you like the content I'm putting out there and you'd like to see more of it, please subscribe to the channel, because that lets me know that you like what I'm doing and to keep doing it and keep putting out more of it. All right, now that that's done, let's get started. This hat comes from someone that a lot of folks know and respect and enjoy the content that they put on YouTube and the friendships that they have with him. I enjoyed talking with him throughout the making of the hat and figuring out what exactly I wanted and what he could do. And this is from Kirk Brackmann at the Broken Skull Hat Company. And I'm excited. And he doesn't know this, but I've been wanting to get a hat from him for some time. Because I saw exactly the products that he was putting out there on his Instagram and through YouTube, and I just really enjoyed what I was looking at. So he didn't know that, but I was looking forward to this. So here we go. This this could have been here a couple of days earlier, but FedEx saw fit to put it on the wrong truck. I live in western central Alabama. To put it on the truck and a little bit north of me and a little bit west of me, and I'm gonna do it like this. The next day it ended up in Georgia, which is on the other side of the state. So like a fart in the wind, that sucker went to Georgia. That's okay. All right, let's see what happens. Let's put this up. Always put that up. You don't want to cut anything. You don't want to cut. What do we have here? We have some tissue paper. Care and packaging. Very nice. Oh, let's see. I opened it. I opened it crown up. So let's see. Bubble wrap. Gotta love the bubble wrap. Oh. Some tissue paper. Oh wow. Look at that. Very nice. Oh. I have been wanting a green style Indy hat for I can't tell you how long. I've been wanting a green style Indy hat for I can't tell you how long. And this is plumb nice, man. This is a beaver hat. Oh, that's soft. Oh, that's really soft. And it's floppy. It's floppy. Isn't that great? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Nice wide sweatband. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh, and that's a soft. That is a soft sweatband. Should be illegal to have sweatbands that soft. All right, moment of truth. Take off the advantage. Show my bald head for a second, and oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. I like that. I really like that. Oh, that's nice and soft. Nice and soft. All right. I got to tell you, dealing with Kirk was a joy throughout the whole process. And this hat has exceeded my expectations. This is perfect. Kirk, thank you very much. I am one highly satisfied dude, man. This is fantastic. This, this is my hat. This is my hat. I have other hats that I love. I love them all. But this is my hat. Be surprised if you see me not wearing this hat and wearing another hat. This is my hat. It's gonna have to be, I'm gonna have to be in probably some kind of dire situation to not be wearing this hat. During the process, he asked me a few questions, and I told my wife, you know, he asked me this, and I'm not gonna tell you what he asked because I don't know if it's a trade secret, but he asked me some questions during the process. And I said to my wife, Christy, I said, I never really thought about that. Christy said, sounds like he's got a gift. Judging from this hat, I believe he does. How about that? So, this is my green Indy hat. I am green with Indy over my hat. Oh, that's soft. That feels so good. Boy, this is great. This is just the right color too. This is exactly what I wanted. This is my first handmade hat, and it's a doozy. The sweatband feels fantastic. Turn around a little bit. Look at it. Let's turn around this way. Can you see? All right. Okay, well, I highly suggest Kirk Brackmann and the Broken Skull Hat Company. He was a delight to deal with. Yeah, and I am very, very, very satisfied with his product. This is a great hat, and this is my hat. This will be my hat. This will be the one that I'll wear all the time. Okay, do come back and see us. Have a great week, and God bless.